Gather around, meme toddlers, and I'll tell you the story of how I met a magical genie and asked him only for memes. It all started a long time ago. I was younger and used to break into houses to find something to eat. Oh, hey, some bread.
There is nothing to fear. I am a genie. Your wish is my daddy.
Daddy?
I treat your wish so seriously. It is my daddy.
What should I wish for?
That is up to you, daddy.
Stop that! But if you were me, what would you wish for?
If I were you, I would wish for the end of suffering in the universe, and eternal life and happiness for all beings.
Or I could wish for a Gucci belt. No, I didn't wish for it.
You did.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah-huh.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah-huh.
Please?
Okay.
I never know what to say.
Tell me about yourself, filthy boy. If I knew you better, I might help you get what you desire.
That's the thing. Ever since I met you, the only thing I want is my sandwich.
You could wish for infinite sandwiches.
But I want pasta too. And cake.
You could wish for infinite sandwiches, pasta, and cake.
What about Doritos?
That would be 4 wishes. That is not allowed.
Oh man!
Choose. The sandwiches, the pasta, the cake, or the Doritos.
I can't choose. It's impossible. Hey, what if I wished for infinite money?
Is that your wish?
If I had infinite money, I could buy all the sandwiches I want.
Yes, but you might consider...
Quiet, Genie. I wish for infinite money.
Very well.
Wait, what?
Your infinite money crashed your already fragile economy. Don't you watch the news?
Ew, I don't look at nudes.
I said news.
Whatever. How do I fix it?
Infinity is infinite. Economies are based on scarcity and are therefore incompatible with infinity. There is no way to fix it.
Hey, what if I wish to undo my wish?
That may work, but after that you would only have one wish.
That's okay. I have to save society.
Why?
What?
Society did nothing for you. You are living on the streets. You have no reason to help them.
I mean, yeah, but I live with them, don't I? I didn't ask to be born.
You know, I thought you an idiot, but you have a keen way of observing the world. Never mind.
Dog Genie, I wish for the world to go back to normal.
Right now, but we do know 13 kids were injured.
Things are back to normal.
Hooray!
What is that?
Oh, just this meme.
That is amusing.
They're great. I'd show you more, but my phone is infected with viruses that I use to get money to pay for food.
Ah,
Could I wish for more memes?
you could.
How many memes could I get without crashing the economy?
These humorous images are harmless. You could get an infinite amount without ruining anything.
Infinite? Yeah!
Your wish is my daddy.
Genie, I wish for infinite memes.
Guys, it's time to release my pet fish. Enjoy your life in your new pond, buddy. See ya. There he goes. Oh my You do it to your life.
Did you hear that? Do you know what that is?
Oh.
That's my beast. That's my 7-foot beast that we feed.
That's right. This morning, I'm having breakfast with Shaq.
Now I have memes every day until I die.
Ha ha ha. Nice one, Daddy.
Stop saying that!